morning guys, in front of me is REDMI 15C and let me show you how to perform a virus scan. First of all, locate and open a security app. Now click on Security Scan, tap on Agree, and now just wait till your device is checked. And as you can see here, you will get the notification, so in my case everything is good. However, if there's any threat detected, you will be able to remove it straight from this panel. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.